Chapter 1. Bourgeoisie and Proletarians. The history of the hitherto-existing society is the history of the class struggles. Freeman and slave, patrician and plebeian, lord and serf, guildmaster and journeyman. By bourgeoisie is meant the class of modern capitalists, in great hostile camps into two great classes directly facing each other. Bourgeoisie and proletariats from the serfs of the Middle Ages sprang the chartered burghers of the earliest town. From these burgesses, the first elements of the bourgeoisie were developed. The discovery of America, the rounding of the Cape, opened up the fresh ground for the rising bourgeoisie. The East Indian and Chinese markets, the colonization of America, trade with the colonies, the increase in the means of exchange in commodities and generally gave to commerce, to navigation, to industry, an impulse never before known, and thereby to the revolutionary element in the tottering feudal society, a rapid development. The feudal system of industry, in which industrial production was monopolized by closed guilds, now no longer sufficed for the growing wants of the new markets. The manufacturing system took its place. The guild masters were pushed aside by the manufacturing middle class. Division of labor between different corporate guilds vanished in the face of division of labor in each single workshop. Meantime, the markets kept ever growing, the demand ever rising, ever manufacture no longer sufficed. Thereupon steam and machinery revolutionized industrial production. The place of manufacture was taken by the giant modern industry. The place of the industrial middle class by industrial millionaires, the leaders of whole industrial armies. The modern industry had established the world market for which the discovery of America paved the way. This market has given to immense development, to commerce, to navigation, to communication by land. This development, in its turn, reacted on the extension of industry, and in proportion as industry, commerce, navigation, railways extended, in the same proportion the bourgeoisie developed, increased its capital, and pushed into the background every class handed down from the Middle Ages. We see, therefore, how the modern bourgeoisie is itself the product of a long course of development of a series of revolutions in modes of production and exchange. Each step in the development of bourgeoisie was accompanied